Let us discuss about how we can strengthen our privacy reviews across the various teams. As privacy flows across various teams, it is not restricted to one person or one team. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you regularly see new content on data privacy, and as I said, we'll talk about strengthening privacy reviews across multiple teams. Now, why is that necessary? Because privacy, as we all know that and understand, is not a one person job or a one department job. You do have a privacy department to supervise, but that does not mean that no one else has any role to do with privacy. Everyone has a role to do with privacy. The disillusion that generally comes into the organization is that everything stays good on paper and everyone believes that there's a privacy team and they'll do it. It's their job. Yeah, even review. No doubt it's their job. But they need a lot of inputs from everyone in the team because everyone works on it. There are processes, there are templates, all these things exist. They need to be checked from time to time, reviewed to see if they are all right or if they have any issues. In reality, work happens across teams, and that is what we need to strengthen. The gap that we see, what usually happens is that the businesses move very fast. They need data. They want to launch data collection for a purpose, a new product launch emailers. So you need data. Who would you send those emailers to? They want it to be done quickly. What about privacy? So they need to be sure. And a review needs to make sure that if business has launched something new which has personal information, then it is being monitored, it has been cautioned, it has been reviewed and ensured that it adheres to the privacy norms. Technology itself, like IT people keep implementing new softwares, maybe a new CRM, maybe a new small utility hosted on cloud, having personal information. Simple, HR picks up a new software, IT agrees to it. What about privacy? So even if it is not 100% done at the time of deployment, it needs to be reviewed. Though ideally, when it is being deployed, privacy assessment has to be done at every new process that you handle in your organization. If these teams don't cooperate, the privacy reviews get delayed. Privacy reviews getting delayed, they impact everyone. Personal data is being handled by everyone. So the issue is not the process, the issue is coordination between the various teams. What strengthens the collaboration is privacy reviews become meaningful only when teams are aligned properly in early stages, expectations are set very clearly, and the communication between the teams is very, very structured. And this is a very important thing. Teams need to be aligned, expectations should be set right, very, very clearly, and the communication between the teams as to who is doing what needs to be extremely carefully structured because the data is being shared, and all this brings in better coordination at the time of reviews. Data is being shared, information is shared all across. Everyone needs to know, explain, and tell why the data is being used, what are the risks associated, what decisions are being made across this data, and the shared understanding, therefore, will help reduce friction between the organizations. The practical insight, which is most important, is privacy reviews work best when the teams move together, collaboration is stronger, and the decisions are taken faster. Faster decisions can happen only when the teams will collaborate and work together. Therefore, we need to strengthen the coordination between teams to ensure that the privacy is well taken care of, and of course, the reviews become more meaningful, and the organization is able to achieve better compliance with respect to DPDP Act, with respect to privacy, lesser impact on personal data, lesser chances of misuse, and that's what we all need to handle very, very carefully. So that's about how should we strengthen the privacy reviews in our organization. I hope you like the content of the video. Please press the bell and the like icon, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.